Good afternoon, it's Dennis and Stefan from Western Material Handling. Today we're looking at our stock number D20830. This forklift's in our Fort Collins store. We have locations in Denver and in Fort Collins. This unit's a 2009 TCM 3,000 pound pneumatic. Very agile, as you can see, getting around this tiny little space. This forklift's equipped with a 189-inch 3-stage mast and side shift. LP gas engine, runs Nissan K21 engine, recent paint, great low lift. Stefan's going to show us what 189 inches of lift looks like if he doesn't get hung up here. That's 15 feet 9 inches. Three-stage mast has full free lift. This forklift, of course, has tilt and side shift. You can use a lift like this or any one of our other lifts. Come to Western Material Handling, Denver, Fort Collins. Check us out on the web, abetterforklift.com. Thank you for looking at our video.